Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Goodman furnace not turning on. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is you can simply come to reddit.com, and over here they have also asked this question. So let's just find out what other people are actually saying in response to this particular post. So the light is a diagnostic tool. Open the lower panel for a guide on what the light is telling you. I had issues with the condensate drain backing up, causing similar issues on mine. So make sure the drain is clear and able to flow to your condensate pump or a drain. Also had it happen, and I was disgusted with how long until and let the filter go. Now filter and goes good as new. So just a homeowner not have guy but successfully fixed similar issues. So you can try this method that this person said over here, or you can even just read more comments and try to find out the solution of this problem. So this person is saying, when the furnace doesn't start as expected, you need to open the access panel and find out the control board. On it will be a red LED that's blinking steadily, stops, then blinks again. It should have the same amount of blinks after each stoppage. This is the service code to use issue and a good starting point. So you just have to simply just try to use these fixes, and then you can just let me know if your problem is fixed or not. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.